Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you what you get in the box when you get a Mozzie Stoppa Advanced Max Flow, or I like to call it the Mozzie Stoppa Anaconda because it sort of looks like an anaconda that's eaten something. But anyway, firstly you'll get the Mozzie Stoppa. It's got this blue handle. You can take it out, clean it easily if you need to. You'll notice that it's got a socket side and a spigot side. The other bits you get in your kit are the Max Flow or Anaconda adapters. So when you put it in, you'll note that one of these it can only go one way. That will just fit on there like so. And you'll see, and I think we tell you in the install video too, there'll be some little lines up the top, just to line those lines. So that ensures that when water's flowing through, it'll be able to get through uninhibited. So you don't really want to, unless you've got a special purpose, you don't really want to be doing that, or be doing that. But you might find that you've got a special need to do that, and that's cool. Just do whatever suits, but typically it would go the other way. We would normally recommend that you put the handle facing up, like that. Probably don't really want it facing down. There's just a bit more duress on that O-ring, that's all, if it's facing down. It's probably fine. Might get the occasional drip out of there. The O-ring's pretty good, it seals it up pretty well, but ideally you want to do that, or if you're going vertical, that's fine as well. The other bit you'll get is this socket to socket coupling, and the whole purpose of that is, you'll notice on these two adapters, which I've got the wrong way around, on one of them you've got a socket, on the other one you've got a spigot. So if that's appropriate for you, awesome. If it's not, you can turn them both into a socket, and that's all there is to it. So that's everything you get in a Mozzie Stoppa Advanced Max Flow or Mozzie Stoppa Anaconda. Thanks.